Mine was Patch the Pirate songs. There are a lot of good songs that have good lessons, Bible lessons for the kids to learn, and they're fun and all that. And so I thought that those would go along best with what we're going to do. These songs come from a guy named Ron Hamilton. It's kind of interesting that Ron Hamilton actually, he was in the music ministry at his church, and something went wrong with his eye, and he had to have his eye removed. And so he went to church after that, and so at first he had like this white patch thing over it, and he thought, well, that's not going to look good at church, and so he went and got a black patch like this and put it over his eye. And he goes to church, and right away the kids started saying, "You look like a pirate," and they started calling him Patch the Pirate. And so then God called him into children's music ministry, and that's how Patch the Pirate was born. And so we're going to do these songs. This first song that we're doing I don't think is an original by Ron Hamilton, but I think the rest of the songs we're doing this year were all written by him. So, excuse me.
Goodness,